Welcome to CrossGems. In this video we are gonna do a split shank. So first of all we are gonna start going to rings, select ring rail, and we select the size. Here we can find the size that we want. In this case we will select 7. We press OK, and now we are gonna set the profile placer. We go to Tools, with the right click, we select Profile Placer, and now we change the size. I'm gonna select 2.2 and the profile height 1.7. We select the profile that we want. I select the second and we press OK. Now we press the drop down and we duplicate. Now we select the profile placer and we modify the position. We are going to select 0.18, sorry, and we press mirror and select mirror profile and select OK. Now we're going to modify the top profile, pressing the scroll button, and we're going to transforms and modify horizontal 2.3. We'll select OK, and now we have the profiles. The next step is do an auto sweep. We go to Tools, Auto Sweep, select the rail, and select the profiles. We go Options and Close. Now we have our surface. We can modify this profile, the position, maybe 0.25. We select OK. We can have a look doing a mirror of the auto sweep to see how it's going. Okay, it looks cool. Maybe the split could be lower. So I'm going to modify the profile. I select the profile placer and click the scroll button to edit the position to 0.32. I think it's better there. Yeah. Now we press OK. And now we're going to do a isocurve to set the gems. So we go isocurve, select the surface, select OK. Now we go to the gems, select gems and curve, select the isocurve, and now we have to set a start point and our end. Zero 0.881 and EM profile 38. Yeah. Now we change the size. We select 1.3 and go to gem options and select 0.15. Go to gem placement and select table. Now we press OK. We go to gem settings, select prongs and row, select the gems, go to end. We select single start and single end prong. We go to the settings, prong thickness 0.55 and the height 0.1. Now we press OK. and we are going to do the cutters. We select channel cutter, select the gems, we go to the caps and select sharp. As we can see, there is the prong, this is the cut, and we can reduce the cap. We select OK. Now I select the gem cutter, we select the gems, and we can change maybe this stone taper. Perfect. We select OK. Now we have the cutters and the gems. The next step is set the gems on the top. We go to gems and select gem on ring. We are going to select gem cut and select the emerald. We change the size. We rotate 90 degrees. We go down. And we select 1.5, and the size we will select 3.5. Yeah. Now we select gem on ring again and select appear. We are going to rotate 90 degrees. We go to gem size and we are going to transform. We move around and move the girdle, and when we get the position where we want the gem, in this case, I think that I will put there. And now I'm gonna see the girdle. I want more or less like the same. That is okay. And as you can see, it's girdle 1.5, move around 4. And the gem size 2.9. We select OK. And now we're going to set gem settings and under bezel. We minimize the depth, the thickness, and the horizontal distance. We move the girdle. The thickness 0.5. We change the viewport to wireframe, and I think that is okay, and we press OK. Now we go to the drop down, we select duplicate, we select edit, and we select the peer. I think this is okay. So now we are going to set the cloud. We select the emerald and we modify the bronze. We go to the bottom and modify the split prongs. It doesn't matter because we are gonna cut this cloud. We select this and it's okay. Maybe this could be better, I think, 0.45, and we modify the dip like this. We select OK, and now we are gonna open the drop down, duplicate the cloud, we go to Edit and select the pier. We press OK, and now we're gonna Tools, Mirror, select the pier, select the under vessel, and select the cloud. We select Mirror and select Mirror Diagonal. And there is. The last step is going to Cutters, cut to the ring, and we select the clouds. We go to ring, select self, and we modify so it's perfect, I think. We let it in 1920 and press OK. Now we are gonna go Tools, Boolean Difference, select the Auto Sweep, and we are going to select the channel cutter. We select OK. We press right click, select the Boolean, and select the gem cutters. Now we press OK. We can delete this mirror, and now we are going to select mirror and select the objects that we want to duplicate. We select the prongs, we select the gems, and we select the boolean. We press OK, and now we have a ring. And the last step is change our grounds. We can select, for example, marble. We go to render, and we can change our gems. We can choose between a lot of types of gems. Select RGB, quartz rose, and quartz rose. We select ray trace it, and that is our ring. Thanks for watching, and if you liked the video, please subscribe us.